Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Process Management and System Thinking. I'm your professor, Neil Armstrong. Just recently got my doctorate degree in August and been studying process management and thinking for a long time. It's part of the career that I have at the General as well, where I basically go in there and I start testing stuff and really start thinking through the whole process about how we need to think through the whole process and see how things are moving along. I'm happy to have you in this class. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask those, email them to me, or you can also do that on the discussion board. And I'll be definitely active in the discussion board as well. So looking at this course, we can definitely see that we have two resources that we need. We need the Collier text, and we need the Singe text on that. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that wrong. Right, if not, then I apologize. We will have discussion boards each week. We'll have quizzes in weeks 1 and 2, where you'll complete the quizzes from the Fifth Discipline by Peter Single. Again, I may be pronounced that wrong. If I am, sorry. In week 7, you'll have the case analysis assignment, where you look at Collier and Evans, and you'll complete a quantitative analysis assignment in week 4. We'll also have an individual research paper, which you'll see here. So this will show you kind of the possible points. This is kind of all jumbled up, which is not good. Which I'll try to get that fixed for you guys too. But I wanted to show you guys kind of the syllabus on this and kind of tell you guys kind of how the final grades are going to be produced and stuff of that nature. I'm sure you guys are probably aware of all that stuff, but as a student, I always like to know that stuff. So I wanted to go through that. So when we're looking at this, we'll have the schedule like this, and you can definitely refer back to this on the syllabus each week and kind of see how things go on this. But you have the introduction discussion board for week 1, day 7 due. The reading assignment week 1, day 7, and then videos week 1, day 7 as well. You'll also have the initial post for week 1, day 3 on the discussion board, as well as responses by day 7. You'll have a quiz that's due by day 7 of week 1 on that as well. I'll also summarize that in my word text after I get done with this video for you guys as well, but I want to let you guys see that. Definitely be professional and have your assignments in on time. Also follow etiquette on this as well. So I'm sure you guys are not any kind of stranger to this stuff, so I'm not going to really go over any of that. I'm trying to think of anything else that I may need to tell you guys. I'm going to post my announcements in the announcements section, which you'll see here. The discussion board post, you'll see here, which you guys are going to introduce yourselves first. Maybe a little bit more introduction of myself, something I can definitely provide to you guys as well. I have an MBA in finance, as well as an MDiv in Christian education, an MA in theology, and a bachelor's in religion from Trevecca. It's one of those things where I've definitely found that education is a lifelong journey, and I really enjoy being here, learning with each and every one of you guys. So if at any point you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. I'm here for you, and I want to see you succeed through this class. So I look forward to meeting each and every one of you in the class. The class starts on January 9th, and definitely look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Again, thank you. Have a great